Hello, I'm Michael Erickson with DRB Systems Support, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the display I/O board in your ExpressPay terminal. If you have a newer model XPT, please click or touch the link below to be taken to the 2012 or newer display I/O board swap video. Otherwise, the older 10.4 display I/O board swap video begins now. To complete the swap, you'll need the tools shown on screen. Using the keys, unlock the top and bottom locks. When prompted, enter your employee number and password. Then, use the hand crank to unseal the door. Then open the main door and turn off the power using the main power switch on the back wall. Now we need to remove the old display I/O board. To start, we need to rotate the printer out of the way. If you have a Seiko printer, you will need to loosen the large thumb screw on the printer and swing the printer to the side. Using the 5/16" nut driver, remove the display I/O board cover plate. Then disconnect the following cables from the display I/O board: external alarm, intercom, left and right speaker, shock sensor, main door lock, security camera power. Security siren, main door switch, proximity sensor, if installed, barcode reader, LVDS video, keypad ribbon cable, magnetic card reader, card dispenser or receipt printer data cable, printer power, display I/O power, paper low connector, carrier board ribbon, and the touchscreen driver board USB cable. Be careful when unplugging this cable. Then, cut the cable tie holding the keypad ribbon cable to the display I/O metalwork. Next, loosen and remove the 3/8" hex nuts holding the display I/O board to the door. Carefully slide the board off the mounting studs and set it somewhere safe. To install the new display I/O board, first use a soft cloth to carefully clean the inside of the display window, taking care not to scratch the surface. Slide the new display assembly onto the mounting studs on the XPT main door. Be careful to keep the wires from getting pinched. Now, use the 3/8" nut driver to attach the display I/O board to the door. Now reconnect the following cables to the display I/O board: external alarm, intercom, left and right speaker, shock sensor, main door lock, security camera power. Security siren, main door switch, proximity sensor, if installed, barcode reader, LVDS video, keypad ribbon cable. To start, connect 2 of the included zip ties together. Then feed the zip ties through the metalwork. Now, connect the 2 free ends of the zip tie together. Make sure to route the keypad cable as shown. Next, carefully snip the excess off the zip ties. And finally, plug the ribbon cable into the board. Magnetic card reader, card dispenser or receipt printer data cable, printer power, display I/O power, paper load connector, carrier board ribbon, and the touchscreen driver board USB cable. Warning: plugging a connector in wrong can damage the display I/O board. Make sure to double check all cables before applying power. Using the 5/16 inch nut driver, reinstall the display I/O board cover plate. Make sure to not over tighten. At this point, put the printer back in its normal position and lock it in place. Now we need to test the display I/O board. Power up the terminal, close but do not lock the main door. Enter your employee number and password when prompted, and then go into maintenance mode. Verify that no status lines show device not present. If everything looks correct, lock the XPT door and exit maintenance mode. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact our support department. Thank you for watching.